Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to delete a contact on your iPhone. It's a pretty straightforward process, so let's get right to it. First, you need to open the phone app. Alternatively, you can directly open the Contacts app if you prefer. Once you're in, make sure you're on the Contacts tab, usually located at the bottom. Now, find the specific contact you want to remove from your iPhone. There are two main ways to delete a contact. The first and perhaps quicker way is to press and hold on the contact. A pop-up menu will appear, and you want to tap on Delete Contact. It'll give you a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure. Simply tap Delete Contact again to confirm. The other method is to tap on the contact to see all of its information. Then, in the top right-hand corner, tap on Edit. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Edit screen. You'll see an option that says, Delete Contact. Tap on that. Again, it'll ask you to confirm. Just tap Delete Contact on the pop-up. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a contact on your iPhone. So, if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks.